Have you ever saw someone with hyperpigmentation, dark marks, acne, scarring, and was like, what are they doing wrong? What is it that they're not doing? And I want you to know something. It's not that they're not doing something right or they're doing something wrong. Certain skin types are more conducive to hyperpigmentation. But at the same time, that leaves a window open for us. Now, you know they hate when I drop recipes and break stuff down like this, but let me show you how you can create a product to make money, create a product from the comfort of your home, and build a cosmetic brand around a product treating a problem like hyperpigmentation. Now, this product that we're going to do is a turmeric hyperpigmentation mask. Now, we're going to sell it in a dry form, meaning we're going to sell it in powder form so our customers can mix it with any liquid of their choice. What's the benefits of that? And I actually sell a product like that right here, right? Now, the benefits of this is they can mix it with rose water, aloe vera juice, regular water, yogurt. They can mix it with any different thing in order to get a different benefit or a different result using a mask like this. Now, here's the crazy part. This is the crazy part that nobody ever says. To make a mask like this, to make a recipe like this, a formulation like this, it is dirt cheap. You can make it from home and it lasts forever. Now, let me show you how we do it. Now, this is going to be for a hyperpigmentation mask. We're going to make it as a dry powder. That way they can mix it with water, hydrosols, honey, yogurt, aloe vera, or anything that they want in order to get a different result or a different effect. You can say goodbye to dullness, dark marks, and on an even skin tone. This turmeric brightening mask is a powerful Ayurvedic inspired mask that instantly activates with the liquid of your choice. Each pouch is packed with brightening botanicals, gentle exfoliants, and mineral rich clays that leave your skin soft, smooth, and luminous after one use. Simple, easy, direct to the point in terms of what it does. Now, what it is, it brightens the skin, brightens the appearance of dark spots. Now, this is not going to be bleaching or anything like that. It's going to even out the skin tone. It's going to visibly soften facial hair over time. It's going to detoxify and absorb the excess oil and impurities, as well as smooth out the skin. This is a really powerful mask. This is something that you see a lot of brands selling, and something you could take to that next level. We're going to be using turmeric, licorice, papaya leaf, rice flour, chickpea flour, and kaolin clay. Each of these are not expensive. I think you could go get a 50-pound bag of kaolin clay on Boca Apothecary for around $60. So I don't think it's too expensive to make something like this. Now let's look at our ingredients in our product. And I want to say this is going to be a 5-pound batch. Now, 5 pounds isn't much. I would say if we were making around 100 pounds, but we're going to still price this out and take a look at this and see. Now, kaolin clay is our white clay. This is going to be our gentle detoxifying clay. We're going to use this versus bentonite because bentonite clay can be a little bit gray. And so when you add in your other colors, things like that, it doesn't always transfer over. Now, we're going with 35 ounces of this, of our kaolin clay. Arrowroot powder, this is going to improve the powder flow, so it makes sure that your powder doesn't clump up. It's also going to help to soften the texture. We're going to go with 20 ounces of that. Rice flour. Rice flour has been used for centuries across Asia in terms of brightening the skin. It's also going to help with the oil absorption and a soft exfoliation. We're going to go with 8 ounces of rice flour. Get your chickpea flour. This is traditionally used in a lot of Ayurvedic recipes to help brighten the skin and reduce facial hair, as well as to help with the hyperpigmentation and to help smoothen out skin. Now with this, we're going to want about 8 ounces. We can't forget turmeric powder. Now this one right here, I have 2.4 ounces of turmeric brightening. This is our brightening antioxidant. It's going to add the gold or yellow tone. Now, when it comes to this, I have one caveat. Too much turmeric can stain skin. So you want to test out your recipe, and staining skin, you go exfoliate and get it off. But you want to test out your recipe and dial it back if it is too yellow. It could also stain the cabinets, the sink, things like that. So you do want to scale it. Now, a different marketing angle for this would be to use black turmeric or white turmeric. Both of those are going to be options that you could add in, or you still have the keyword turmeric so you could trigger all the sales on Amazon, Shopify, TikTok Shop, Instagram, but at the same time, you have a different spin on it. So those are going to be some options too. Papaya leaf powder or papaya powder, 2.4 ounces. Papaya is a natural enzyme that is going to help to exfoliate and get off dead skin. So I do recommend that, as well as your licorice root, which is going to be 4 ounces. Now, licorice root is traditionally used to help brighten the skin, so it does have a benefit in this. Now, that's what we need to make our 80 ounces or our 5 pounds. Now, let's look at the ingredients. Kaolin clay, arrowroot, rice flour, chickpea, turmeric, papaya, and licorice root flowers. That's it. Nothing hard, nothing complex, nothing life-changing, groundbreaking. Now, here's the easiest and craziest part when it comes to something like this. When it comes to this, I want you to sanitize. Put on a respirator, make sure none of these fine powders get into your nose, and all you do is add all your powders to a mixing bowl and stir it up. I have used a cordless drill, which we have in the lab for mixing, and a stainless steel or chrome plated mixer on low. We also, when we make big batches, might use we have a plastic cement mixer tote that we put a cap on and just let it mix all of our powders as a whole when we're making our 100-pound batches. There's so many different things that you can do. You can go to Walmart baking section, pick up a scale, get your powders. Well, you ain't gonna get those at Walmart, but Amazon for your powders, right? And you can build a product, you can build a brand, you can build something that makes you money. Your equipment list is not hard. Your equipment list is not something complex or complicated. But let me show you the best part of this. Now, I hope you're looking at the screen. Now, I'm gonna highlight a few things as we go. Now, let's highlight this. A high margin, low risk, endlessly scalable business asset. What does that mean? It does not take a lot of money to make a lot of money with something like this. And you can scale it out to the roof because it's not a lot to make. You can add different flours, different clays, different ingredients, and get different effects. It's recession proof and an evergreen seller. Now, watch this. It commands a price point. Now, I actually sell a mask like this for $25 per 80-gram pouch. This is an 80-gram pouch. Each one of these pouches costs maybe 15 cents, and a label for something like this will cost you around 10 cents. So all in all, even at the price point to which we have it here, let's say $25 price point per pouch, that costs you $1.50 total. We're talking about pouch, label, ingredients, product in hand, $1.50. So you have a 94% gross profit margin for a simple product that you can make at home, a simple product that doesn't require nothing hard, a simple product that you can, I don't want to say whip up in the kitchen, but let's be realistic. You can whip up in a kitchen and start selling. 80-gram pouches like these are 15 cents per pouch. This product is pure profit. Now, of course, you have to sell it with other things. Of course, you have to sell it with other stuff, but a product like this, and check this out. Batch size, if we were going to make 100 pounds, we were going to sell it in an 80-gram pouch like this at $25 per pouch. That 100 pounds will make us 560 pouches. That's even with minor waste for getting some getting on the floor, right? Pouch cost 15 cents. Label costs 10 cents a piece. Labor for 100 pounds. 4 hours, if we pay ourselves $20 an hour, that's $80 total. Overhead utilities, maybe 5 cents per pouch. So to make, this is for everything in hand. Labels, packaging, ingredients, your time. To make this is $504 total, equaling 90 cents per pouch. This is at 100 pounds. At 100 pounds, it's costing you 90 cents per pouch. We sell it for $25. You take home $24. You tell me you can't do this. You tell me that you can't make this. You tell me that $1.50 is too much. That 90 cents is too much. Look at this. Look at this. This is your total cost. This is your total cost to do 100 pounds. $504 in raw ingredients, $84 in pouches, $56 in labels, Overhead, $28. Label, $78. Buffer or waste, spills, accidents, $78. Total batch cost, $840. Now here's the profit margin. 560 pouches times $25. We make a whopping $14,000 with a simple recipe like this. You spent $840 in production cost to make $13,000 with a product that people use. A product that you could put on Amazon. Think about it. Aztec Healing Clay sells for $14 per pound on Amazon. $14 per pound. But yet you can buy 50 pounds of their only ingredient in the healing clay, which is bentonite clay, for $32 per 50 pounds. Every time someone goes on Amazon and buys 2 bottles of Aztec Healing Clay, they have made enough money for another batch of 50 units. Think about this. You spend $840 total, packaging, label, overhead, time, and even with this, some of this is guesswork and how long and stuff like that. You could go on Amazon and buy a machine to fill up your bags for $105. You have a full business that helps with turmeric, that helps with hyperpigmentation, helps with dark marks, helps with all of that stuff, acne. A simple product that you can make at home. It has a high profit margin. Only about $1.50 to make, and you sell for $25. All dry powders. So there's no heating, no cooling, no emulsion, no hard mixture, no bad timing, nothing. Listen, simple, easy. Turmeric, licorice, papaya, clay, high perceived value, just bigger batches, same process. Simple, easy business to make. Simple, easy business to make. You tell me you can't make this from home. You tell me you can't bottle this up with a simple face oil or turmeric oil. Matter of fact, you could take a product like this and you could sell it as a underarm detox that you can pair with a natural deodorant. So as your customers are switching from chemical or regular deodorants to natural, they can start detoxing their underarms. There's so many aspects. We can do a hair mask. We do an acne mask. We do a hyperpigmentation. So many aspects, so many different directions, so many different products we can build off of one same theme, one same idea, one same concept. Too many times we look and say what we can't do. Too many times we go to the store to consume, yet we never consider the idea of being a producer. We never consider the idea of how we can build out a product, how we can build out a brand. I help my students every day do just this. You know how exciting it is? With one of my students, let's take Ben. Ben calls me and say, yo, bro, I've been in my business. I started my business from my garage. I took your advice. I got Castile soap. I got sea moss, and I started in my garage. And I've done over $100,000 in sales in under 6 months. You know how good it feels to be able to walk out your job and walk into your own business, into somewhere where you don't have to ask permission to go to your children's school or to take time to take them to the doctors, in a job or a business where you don't have to ask permission to take vacation time or travel leave or to do what you want. When you have your own business, you have your own lifeline. You have your own opportunity. And a cosmetic business, a beauty brand, a product like this that is simple to do, an easy add-on, something you can make from home, no harder than making a pack of noodles. Now, if you struggle to make toast, if you're one of those people who boil eggs, or if you leave the house and leave the stove on, maybe this one is safe for you, because all you're going to do is mix powders. Higher profit margins than a lot of things on the street. I'm gonna tell you right now, a lot better profit margins than a lot of stocks. You can make this product. It costs you 90 cents per bag. You can bring home $24 per purchase. Tell me why you're not doing this. Listen, if you need some help scaling your business, if you need some help taking this to that next level, click that link below. Let's jump on a call. Come to our community, come join, come see me on a Sunday. Let me do a live workshop and show you how you can take a product like this and build a brand around it. How you can take a product like this and bundle it up and increase your sales. There's no reason why you're struggling, no reason why you're not making money, no reason why you're not where you want. It's all about the steps that we take. So I'm going to see you Sunday. I look forward to talking with you, and we're going to take this to the next level.